6 students, in each of the following find the coordinate of point whose abscissa is solution. See, solution means the values which you are putting, it should satisfy both the sides, means left hand side and right hand side. If you will put the values here, so it should satisfy both the sides. So from here you have to find the value of x. Take 2 over here. We'll cross multiply with both the terms, is equal to 3 minus x. When you multiply, see, 5x plus x will become 6x minus 5. Then open the bracket, you can find the value of x. Same, another equation is this. Using this equation, when you will take 3 over here and open the brackets, solve the values, you will obtain the value of y. So these are the values of x and y. X is 1 and y is 4 over 5 we got. So you can check your answer also. If you put value of x as 1, it will satisfy both the sides will be equal. Same way you can put the value of y, both the sides will be equal. Question number 7. In each of the following, the coordinates of 3 vertices of rectangle. You are given a rectangle, children. These are the 3 vertices and you are asked to find 4th vertex of the rectangle. So for that, let us plot the points. See, point A is minus 4 and minus 6. Look here now on the graph paper. Minus 4 of x minus 6 of y. That means this point is minus 4 and minus 6. Another point 6 and 0. This is 6 of x and 0 of y. 6 and 0. Then minus 4 and 0 will lie here. Minus 4 and 0. Now take scale. Let us join these points as this is what? Rectangle. And you know that in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. See children, it should be like this. Clear? Join it. So this is what? This was the coordinate A. Then 6 and 0 was named, it is C. This coordinate is named as D. So look here, A, this will be B. And you are asked to find coordinate of B. Now tell me what will be the coordinates of B. What is x of B? That is 6. And what is y of this? Minus 6. So the coordinates of B are 6 and minus 6. This is your answer. Question number 9, students. These are the coordinates of a square. Use the graphical method to find coordinate of the 4th vertex. 3 vertices are given and you are asked to find 4th vertex. So for that, let us plot these points on the graph. Look here. Minus 2 and 4. See, minus 2 of x and 4. Coordinate is here. Then after 4 of x and 10 of y. C is here. Then minus 2 and 10. See, minus 2 and we have to move in front of 10. Now join this. As this is a square, so for that we need to join it. Okay, this is a square. Clear? So A, B, C and D. In this question, what you are asked to find out, find the 4th vertex. This is 4th vertex B. So let's find out the coordinates. What is x coordinate of it? 4. And what is y coordinate of it? That is also 4. So the coordinates of B is 4 and 4. After that, first part, find the coordinates of midpoints of BC. See children, this is mid BC. Count the number of boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where will be the midpoint? Leave 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. This will be the midpoint. Mark it as M. Clear? Now tell me what will be the coordinates of M. M is what? X is what? 4 of M. And what is Y of M? That is what? 7. So the coordinates are 4 and 7. Then after, you are asked to find midpoint of CD. This is CD. Count the number of boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So leave 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. So this will be the midpoint of CD. Mark it as N. So tell me the coordinates of N. N is what? X is what? 1 of N point. And Y is what? 10. So the coordinate of N are 1 and 10. Second part is 1 and 10. Then in the third part, the coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonals. You have to draw diagonals because we are asked to find the point of intersection of the diagonals. So you know that diagonals are the lines joining the opposite vertex. So this is what? Diagonal. Or you can name it as P also. So the coordinates of P will be what? This is what? 1. X is 1 of this. Clear? And Y is 7. So look here children. Midpoint of BC we took as M. Midpoint of CD we took as N. And the coordinates were 1 and 10. And point of intersection is taken as P. And the coordinates are 1 and 7. 10th question, by plotting the following points on the same graph, check whether they are collinear. Collinear means the points which are lying in the same line. So the first part, points were 3 and 5 I plotted. Then the next point was 1 and 1. 1 of x, 1 of y. Then the next point is what? 0 and minus 1. Clear? So plotted all the points, mark it like that and join with the scale. Look here now. Are they all lying in the same line? That means yes, they are collinear. 10th question, first part, the points are collinear. If they will not come in the same line, that means they are not collinear. Question number 11, plot the point 5 and minus 7 from a point A. Plot the point A, 5 and minus 7. See children, this I will explain. I have not drawn graph for this. See, 5 and minus 7 will lie somewhere here. Okay. So let it be point A. After that, what you are given? Draw AM perpendicular to x-axis. From here you have to draw perpendicular on x-axis and mark that point as M. From the same point you have to draw perpendicular on y-axis also and mark the point as N. And then after you are asked to find the coordinates of M and N. Of M, y coordinate will be 0 because it will lie here. And of N, x coordinate will be 0 as it is lying on the y-axis. Exercise 26B. Of exercise A questions, how many questions I left? You have to solve yourself, and for doubts you can consult me on Zoom class. 26th B exercise, question number 1, second part. You can find the value of x. See, you can see here it is not a variable. Value of x is fixed. Whatever may be the value of y, value of x is fixed. So you have to make a box of such kind. See, write here x and y. See children, in this case, x is what? Dependent variable, y is independent. So you can take any value of y, 1, 2, 3 or any value 4, 5, 6, whatever you want, but try to take as short as values. Clear? So I took the value of y, different values, and you can see here whatever the value of y may be, x will remain minus 3 only. So let's plot all these points on the graph. Look here. It's minus 3 and 1. Minus 3 of x is here and 1 is here. It is minus 3 and 1, then minus 3 and 2, clear? Then after the next will be minus 3 and 3. See, this way, minus 3 and 3. You have to plot it like this way. Then with the help of scale, you have to join the line and you have to write that this is the equation of x plus 3 is equal to 0. Clear? Now, 9th part. I solved only 2 parts. Look here. 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. From here, 2y is equal to 5 and y is 5 by 2. That is 2.5. So, same thing I did. X and y you have to write. In this case, x is independent variable. I took different values of x and y is fixed in this case. Means whatever the value of x is there, y will always be 2.5. Now, let us plot all these points on the graph. Look here now. 1 and 2.5. See, 2 is here. 2.5 means 5 divisions above this. It will lie between 2 and 3. So this is what? 1 and 2.5. The next is 2 and 2.5 will be here. See, 2 and 2.5. Then next is 3 and 3.5. Sorry, 2.5. Now join these points and you have to show here that this is the graph of which line? 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. This way you have to show. Now the second question, 7th part, 4x minus y is equal to 0. 4x is equal to y. Now see, x and y, same thing I wrote. See children, now y depends upon x. I took the value of x as 0. So 0 multiplied by 4 is 0. Y will be 0 only. If you take x as 1, so 4 into 1 will be 4. If you take x as minus 1, 4 into minus 1 will be minus 4. Eighth part, 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. From here 3x is equal to minus 2y. X is minus 2 by 3y. So if y is 0, 0 multiplied by something is 0. Both the coordinates will be 0. Then after I took the value of y as 3. Meaning minus 2 over 3 into 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. You will get minus 2. Then I took the value of y minus 3. 3 and 3 will also get cancelled. Minus minus will make it positive. So let us plot all these points on the graph. So the first point is 0, 0 on the same graph I am doing. 0, 0 means origin. Then the next is 1 and 4. It is here. 1 and 4. Then after minus 1 and minus 4 lying over here. Minus 1 and minus 4. Now join them. See, this way you have to join and write here that this is the graph of which equation. Then the next is 0, 0. Already we have plotted. Minus 2 and 3. Minus 2 and 3 is here. Clear? This is minus 2 and 3. Then 2 and minus 3 is here. 2 and minus 3. Now join it. Clear? And you have to mention here that this is graph of 3x plus 2y equals to 0. So this way you have to solve all the parts. Third question, eighth part is this. Look here children, I took 5 over here. 5 into x minus 3 is equal to 2y plus 2. 5x, open the brackets. So from here I got the value of x. So same way you have to make box here. Now let us put the value of y. I put here minus 1. So see how to solve. 2 into minus 1 plus 17 over 5. This will be what? Minus 2 plus 17 over 5. 17 minus 2. 15 over 5 will make it 3. Clear? So this way different values. I put 0. Then I put 1. And I obtain the values of x. Now let us plot these points on the graph. 3 and minus 1. This is 3 and minus 1. Then after 3.4. See children, 3.4 means this is 3.4 and 0. It will be here only. 3.4 and 0. Then after 3.8 will be here. And point is 1. Clear? 3.8. 3.8 means you have to count 8 divisions after 3. Then you can join with the scale. Clear? And write here that this is equation of which, this is graph of which equation. Fourth question, fourth part. See, it is here. Simply I transpose it this side. This way you can solve it. And value of any variable you can find out. I got x. See. Then I put different values of y. If I put 0, it will become 0. It will be minus 1 over 10. So that will be minus 0.1. If you put it 2, then it will be 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 over 10 means 1 by 2. That will make it 0.5. So same way you can put this value. Minus 0.1. Very carefully look here. Minus means this side. 0.1 means first division after 0. And then 0. It will lie over here only. Then 0.5 means positive it is. 0.5 will lie over here. And 2. Clear? This is what? 0.5 and 2. This is what? Minus 0.1. Next is minus 1 and minus 3 will be here. Minus 1 and minus 3. Okay. Now take the scale and join these 3 points. That will be a straight line. So mark here that this is equation of graph of which equation that you have to write over here. Fifth question. This is the equation. Open the bracket 7 minus 3 minus minus will be 3y is equal to minus 5 plus 2x. 7 minus 3 is 4 plus 3y. And this way when you will solve you will get y. Y is equal to this. Now let us select the different values of x. I took x as 0. That will make it 0. Minus 9 over 3 will be minus 3. Then I put here 3. 3 2s are 6. Minus 9 plus 6 is, it is what? Minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. Minus 3 divided by 3 will make it minus 1. Same way you can put this value and obtain this. Now we have to plot these points. First one was 0 and minus 3 will be here. Then 3 and minus 1 will be here. Then minus 3 is here and minus 5 will be here. I joined all the points. Now in this question you are asked to find area of the triangle formed by the line. This is the line and the coordinate axis. This is coordinate axis. This is coordinate axis. So you can see that it forms a triangle. This is what? A triangle. And you are asked to find area of this triangle. Area of the triangle, you know, that is half base into height. So base is this, height is this. Count the number of boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4 complete boxes and 4.2 divisions or 3 divisions it will be there. Clear? So the base is what? 4.3 and the height is what? 1, 2 and 3 boxes. Clear? Put the value here. Half 4.3 into 3. Solve this. That will be your answer. Thank you.